pretty sure I can build Sett the same way I will build. You do anvils on Sett the same way that I do for Vi, right? Just go for beefiness and maybe not as much attack speed. So maybe I don't have to worry about attack speed on Sett. If normal League of Legends, if the normal game itself had stat anvils in the shop, if they were like 2,000 gold, I would still do it. Maybe just 1,000. 1,000 gold would probably be good. Maybe 1,500. I think 1,000 would be pretty good. I don't really super know how to play. Orbital laser would be great. That's something I want to try on Vi, not something I want to try on Sett. Get the orbital laser. And this. 2 random. 2 might shards. Holy, alright. You got orbital laser? Bro, I got orbital laser. We both got orbital laser. Ain't no goddamn way. Alright. There we go. Ooh, Cho got hit by it. Let's go. Did he get away? He absolutely did. What a nerd. There we go. Flashed for him. Don't care. There we go. Easy. We both got orbital laser. OP. I'm doing as many sit-ups as I can. Oh, there we go. You just spam Control F3 or Control 3. Probably those two. Lethality or crit chance? Ooh, golly. Probably the crit chance early. Lethality would be good too. I'll build up crit chance early. Oh, we're gonna get shard holder. I don't have to worry about it too much. There we go. There we go. Okay, Twitch Echo, was it? Yeah. Forced him into the laser. Oh my god, the double laser is crazy. Double laser is legit just game ending. That is phenomenal. That whatever item I get is sold. There we go. I don't have to worry about attack speed, so go crit chance. Do random magic and crit, okay. Oh my god, crit chance. More crit chance? No, I go lethality, because if I get randoms, I'll get crit. There we go. No, that's the AFK Fiora. Damn. Brought into the laser, baby. Alright. That was almost too easy. I feel bad for the Trundle. Definitely reporting the AFK. Rammus isn't able to make that happen. Just getting annihilated. Yeah. Poor buddy. Tom Kench and Yorick is a nasty combo anyway. Fortune, absolutely. Attack damage. Lethality. Go for the attack damage here, clearly. Let's go with 2 random. Swiftness and attack damage. Alright. Make sure the enemy sees that I'm doing sit-ups before the match. Nice. No, Warwick got me. Jinx has hella attack speed, wow. I don't know if you can get me up in time. Oh, you can. Nice. Didn't even need a laser, baby. Should have lasered the Warwick, but I didn't. Yeah. That would be good. Ooh, yes. Literally perfect. Armor and MR, for sure. I'll have a lot of AD, that's for sure. Alright. Come here, baby. Yeah! Oh, that's unfair. That's straight up unfair. The double orbital laser is crazy. Literally just nuke the enemy team. Twice. Nuke them twice. Ooh, the Swain's there waiting. Rooted him in the fire. Holy. Ooh, what a play. Alright. That's just gonna give me straight AD because of my adaptive thing. I don't want 28%. Do the MR. And the health. Because why not? Just pretty nice, honestly. Sett's really good for Anvil only. Get that down. I burned flash for no reason. And we're actually going to lose this one. Alright. You got pulled out of resin me. Dropped another nuke, but it's not enough. Rough. Alright. 80%! Let's fucking go! Holy. Ability haste. I'll get the ability haste. 88% crit, but I'll get another 2 randoms. 80% shard holder. Like this game needed to go any better. Definitely need to work on using my my W better. And I missed it, of course. Yes, holy. Ooh. Ooh, barely. So glad I had the nuke. I wouldn't have won that otherwise. Not that. Not that either. Don't do enough of that. Self-destruct would be pretty hella. Yeah, self-destruct. That'd be alright. I do have some lethality already. Go for the more damage. 500 attack damage. Holy, okay. I could have swore I hit him with my W, but okay. Wow. Alright. Definitely need more MR and health. This Cho'Gath isn't gonna last against the Tom. Tom got the tongue off, yeah. Too random. That. We will get the attack speed. There. Armor and MR. 25% Omnivamp. Turns into 45% because of the 80% shard holder. Do need my last little bit of crit chance. We got a buy around, which is pretty good for us. Okay. Cho'Gath Lux versus Twitch Echo. Kench dove in. Swain pull, no stun. Malphite getting eaten by the black hole. Kench goes down and the Yorick is short to follow. The Twitch went down as well. The Echo's trying to save this. Not going to be able to do a lot against the Cho'Gath though. Lux really zoning him into the Cho'Gath's body. Res the Twitch. The Twitch just barely isn't able to get the Lux down, but the Echo is still alive. Just barely managed to get the Lux down before the Lux could ult, but no, Cho'Gath does the finishing move. Okay. Critical strike damage, right? Two randoms. Attack damage health. I'll take it. I didn't want to get 25% crit rate because I only need like 10%. Oh lord. Alright. Let's see how it is. There we go. Malphite taken care of. I've got 700 AD. I just need to get to him. Alright. We absolutely laser the shit out of him here. Damn. Ran away from it. There we go. 2300 crit. What is that? Oh my god, and my damage. Four stat anvils? You're betting your ass I'm getting that. Going defense. And going attack damage. Let's hope I can get another crit here. No, okay. 975 attack damage? Oh my god. I just walk up and kick the shit out of him. That's really all I gotta do. Oh my god, there is no way they live this. Oh my god. Ain't no way. This is absolutely ridiculous. This is, again, super unfair. I have over 1,000. Over 1,000 AD. Okay. Swain and Malphite versus Yorick Kench. I mean, we can annihilate both of them, clearly. There's no way we don't kick both of their shit in. We could even 2v4 them, pretty much. If I just get enough damage off. There's the fire coming in. Malphite's getting destroyed. Swain is actually going in for the kill. Swain is getting knocked up by the Kench. I don't think that matters though. The Kench is actually going down. Swain and Malphite both came up on him now, and Swain just does not die. He has a lot of healing. Able to just get rid of both of them ultimately. See how much more damage I can get. Health and size? Why not? Oh my god, no way I get more critical strike damage. I have 1134 attack damage. Yeah, Anvil Sett has fucked. Anvil Sett has won this game. Absolutely. I mean, Nunu is a beast himself. Oh yeah, you want to try that? Come here. Ah, I just barely wasn't in range. It's okay. Oh lord. The amount of damage I do. Are you seeing my crits? Oh, he's gonna try to res. Go for it. Get the res off. Swain just dies to the laser. 4,200 crit. That is ridiculous damage. Sett Anvil only goes hard. You don't lose. As soon as you build up enough AD, you don't lose. I don't normally play Sett anyway. That was ridiculous. Only 76,000 damage though. Felt like I could have done a lot more. It's just, I mean, that last 20,000 damage I did was in the last like 3 rounds. It was ridiculous. That adapt, or that escapade, yeah, the escapade, turning my AP into AD, insanity. And of course, stats on stats on stats. Ooh, at 1100 AD. That's getting turned into a video. I don't give a fuck.